There are two kinds of notes. One is called space note. The other one is called line note. Space notes look like this. Those are space notes. It's in the space, so that note is between those lines. So we call it space note. Line note look like this. The notes are on the line. So inside the circle, there is a line. In the very center, it has line. So we call it line note. And this is space note. The first three notes we're going to learn are C, D, E. C, D, E. C looks like this. That's a C. Space note. Second space note from the top is C. And the top space note right here is a E. So those are space notes. And D in between is line note. Second line from the top is a D. And I also want you to remember those three notes are right here, not right here, not right here. It's right here. In this keyboard, this is my center of the keyboard. That logo shows the center of the key. And this is called the middle C. Middle C. It's one octave higher. This side, those are the ones we're going to practice note reading first.